Hydraulic quick-release couplers are wide in demand in all type of industrial demands, as they give instant connection, disconnection when required with hardly any leakage or wastage. Pictures show various type of coupling, so you can choose right coupler according to pressure, temperature, size, and media. Techno Industrial Products offers KZD couplers from 1/8 inch to 1 inch BSPT. These couplers are made of 58% copper brass material, which is excellent to use for water applications. Working of couplers is shown in this picture. These couplers are widely used in medical industry, mold cooling system, HVAC, and much more that you can think. Couplers come with grip that provide comfort to installer to connect and disconnect it. These couplers have double check valves so fluid does not come out when couplers are disconnected. And to connect it, just push the sleeve and couplers are ready to serve you. All the couplers are randomly tested to the pressure they can take, which is also shown in chart for your convenience.